So you've probably heard of a 20 bead reckon wreck. But aren't you a little bit curious about a 100 bead reckon wreck? And before you say, oh, that's an abacus. No, this is a 100 bead reckon wreck. My name is Amy Howe, and I'm with Reckon Wreck 101. I'm incredibly passionate about informing people about this incredible, versatile, hands-on mathematical tool. So what is it that a 100 bead reckon wreck does? So over the years, I have used this particular tool to teach numerous fundamental basic concepts in mathematics. Things like place value, decimals, percentages, fractions, and now I have this wonderful program called the times table program, and it's using this particular 100 bead reckon wreck. So if you're not quite sure if this is the tool for you, you might want to think about just how versatile it is. So the 100 bead reckon wreck is an amazing tool that provides children the opportunity to show you what they know. It allows them to show you their misconceptions as well. It also is a tool for increasing mathematical talk and questioning in the classroom. So when I'm teaching things like addition and subtraction, up to 100 on here, or place value, perhaps decimals, yes, even fractions, and most importantly, the times tables, I'm able to observe and see what the child knows, and they're able to express their understanding by showing what they're doing on a reckon wreck. So do you need a reckon wreck? Absolutely you do. So here is a number of the day task using the 100 bead reckon wreck. But first let's go to ready position. Our red beads are ready to go at the top. Today, let's choose the number 38. So we'll put 38 in the box, and then I ask children to build 38. Again, I'm watching how efficient are they at building 38. And as you can see, with one push per row, I've built 38. Quite efficient, but I've used this before. The next thing that I want them to do is to show the 38 pictorially. So they're going to draw around the 38 beads on the number card. And now comes the question, what do you know about 38? And I'm looking for deeper understanding, more than just the obvious place value. However, the obvious place value does come to life on here because I can see 3 rows of 10s, so 10 plus 10 plus 10, and 8 more. Now some students may say that they see 3 rows of 10, and then a 5 and a 3, which makes 8. Then I want to dig a little bit deeper. What else do you see? Hopefully, we can start to look at flexible partitioning. So instead of just the 10 plus 10 plus 10, perhaps they're grouping them and saying, I see a group of 20, and I see 18 more. And 20 plus 18 is equal to 38. Perhaps they're also looking at groups of 5, and they're counting because of the configuration of the reckon wreck. So they're seeing 2, 4, 6, 7 groups of 5, and 3 more. So we know now that it's actually not a multiple of 5. But what else can they see? Some children will say, oh look, it's almost 40. It's 2 away from 40. So 40 subtract 2 is equal to 38. And hopefully you'll have a child that says, oh, so it rounds to 40 without even using any rules. What else can we see? In terms of number bonds, I can clearly see, because of the way this reckon wreck switches bead order at 50, that 38 plus 12 is equal to 50. And for those of you that are wondering, can I do number bonds to 100? Absolutely. Let's look at those remaining beads. Do I need to count them individually? No. I can see here there are 50, and 10 more makes 60, and 2 makes 62. So 38 plus 62 is equal to 100. And I could go on, but what I want you to see is how powerful this tool is and how simple this activity is to really get a deeper understanding of number sense.